What it do, man? Been waiting on this one. Finally dropped. Actually got it 2 days ago. You already see what the hat is, man. You already know what's in the box. Talked about it in my last video. If everybody was able to jump on that Grungy Gentleman NBA collaboration. As you see, I have on my baseball collaboration. Grungy Gentleman, as you see. We're going to get right into that NBA drop, man. Without no further ado, why hesitate? Grungy Gentleman 2.0 NBA edition. Let's go, man. Let's get it. Like I said, man, NBA edition, Grungy Gentleman. As you know, at first I didn't really know a lot about that company or that fashion design of Grungy Gentleman. They're in kind of more, I won't even say it's hip hop fashion, just more high-end fashion. And just recently, I want to say last year, they got into doing collaborations. Like I said, they had the baseball collab that dropped last year. This year, they decided to step their game up and doing NBA collab. And I'm also hoping that means in the future they're doing NFL one, which would only seem only right. So I was able to grab two. Without it being said now, when I got up in the morning for the release, I think it released at 10 a.m. Eastern, so I literally had to set my alarm so I can get up because I really wanted to pick something up off of those. I mean, I had already seen some of the teams they were releasing when they were dropping a couple of surprise picks on Instagram and a couple on Facebook. But the one I wasn't able to jump, I mean, literally as soon as I clicked on it, like I said, I don't know about anybody else, but for me, this thing was almost equivalent to a shoe release. As soon as I picked on, like, I guess obviously most people in the size they wanted, the Chicago Bull one. I have a lot of Bulls hats, but I just definitely wanted one in this version. Couldn't get the size 8. I mean, that was the first size to sell out, and I already had it in my cart when I went to check out. Like when people do most shoe reviews and shoe pickups, when I went to check out, and it's like it's been a change to your cart, they yanked out the Bulls one. Kind of like in this one, how I could almost say when they did the baseball drop, I wanted the New York Yankees, couldn't get them, that was gone, size 8. Chicago Bulls the same way. I'm still on the hunt for a Grungy Gentleman New York Yankees size 8, and I guess I can add the Chicago Bull one to the mix also with that. So, with that being said, you know how I do. I pick up two hats. I never pick up just one. I mean, if I see something, I'll put it on hold and until I see something else on to go with it, and I grab it like that, unless it's something like this to where when I know the release is coming, I know it's what I want, I'm jumping right on it. So we're going to get right into it, man, so y'all can see what the pickup is. See what it is. Got that good Liz box. At first, when I was looking at it, man, without showing too much of the address and everything, it looked like somebody had cut the box open already, but they didn't. So, but we're about to get into it right now. See, I like when it comes in that fresh plastic. I mean, it's straight from the warehouse, not another store. So you got it all nice and tied up. All right. Now, we're going to jump into the first one. This one, I just like the colorway on it. And it goes with a couple of pair of shoes that I already have. So, without further ado, we got the Philadelphia 76ers. I like the way this one collab with like the heather gray on it, how everything pops out on the hat as far as the heather gray. Of course, you got your gold size 8 emblem, the way the red 7, the blue 6, and everything on there. Of course, you got your 6-stripe Grungy Gentleman logo on the side. And see how all the colors on there make it pop. Like when I looked at these, I looked at the hat in a round circle because I want to see exactly how it's looking, exactly what's going on with it. And you got your New Era flag on the other side with your striping. And what I liked about these, kind of like how they sort of did with the baseball, they put the logos for the baseball, like, you know, the alternate logos. This one, they actually went with some of the more popular sayings that team goes with. Like this one here says the movement on the back. I kind of like that when I seen it. That's what kind of like hit me over the edge with going ahead and pick this one up. And as you see the under it, you got everything here. You got your Grungy Gentleman logo. You got your NBA, your New Era, and you got your size 8. You know, they usually put your collab tab in there. You know what I mean? So you know, it is an actual collaboration. And I like the way this one feels. It almost has a not, I don't want to say a stiff feeling, but more of a well put together feeling. I don't know if that's just because of the material they use for this one, because it feels like a harder material. I don't know if anybody was lucky enough to pick up this one, but this material just feels a little more different, like a little more solid. Like I said, I don't know if it's the material or just the colorway, but definitely had to have this one, man. So we got the first one in, Grungy Gentleman, Philadelphia 76ers. And for the next pickup I was able to grab, which is the one I mean, for the colorway and how it was, because this one I actually was going to try to pick up 3. Like I said, it was this one, the one I'm about to show, and the Chicago Bulls. I couldn't get that. But this one here, I mean, another classic logo. So, I mean, it's not bad for the look. And to me, it really pops also. You got the New York Knicks. You got the black. Of course, you got your Gold A emblem on there. But I don't know, it's something about this one, like you seen in my last video that I picked up from Hat Club. It's something about the way they put the Knicks logo when they put it like this. It just, to me, it looks really good. You know what I mean? Then, of course, you have your cis stripe. Got your Grungy Gentleman there. As you see, they did it in these colors. They got the blue and they got the orange. You got your orange New Era flag on this side. And what I love about this one, too, on the back, it has New York Forever. So I kind of like that homage to New York. You know what I'm saying? Then, of course, you got your same under, you know what I mean? You got your Grungy Gentleman tag, you know, you got everything like that. I liked how on the back, they didn't go so much with the alternate logos. They went with, like, the sayings they either used for the nickname of that team or just the sayings they had for that city. So I think that was pretty cool, you know what I mean? This one, they went more of a, I think they could have went with more of a white and orange, but I like the fact that they didn't try to do too much with it. They just did the different team colors here and left the stripes white. So then the logos on the back as far as the flag and the Grungy Gentleman logo actually pop out more below the white. So I think that was cool because you got more of your orange and your white right here on the front. And that logo, that's clean, man. That's a clean logo. That's some good work right there. You know, a lot of times, like when I showed that last hat, you know, as far as quality work, but you had to know when they came with this collaboration, it was going to be some good quality work. So that's a good thing with that, man. But there it is, man. Let me know down below if you was lucky, you was able to pick up, you know what I mean, what you was able to pick up. I don't know, man, if I could go in there and find me a couple more size 8s. I'm going to be honest, man. This collab, yeah, kind of went to the top with me. Like the baseball collab, it was fine, but I don't know. I don't know if it's the NBA logos that made it just more fire than the baseball, because, you know, with baseball, it's kind of more of a plain, you just got the symbol and all that. See, with basketball, they can more so change it up because, you know, they have more alternate logos to change up with. But I don't know, man. I'm kind of digging the NBA version of the Grungy Gentleman collaboration, and we call it the 2.0. Like I said, let me know what you was able to cop down below. This is mine. I may go grab 2 more because I had 2 more, you know, that really looked kind of good to me, but these were the choices I made. So I may do a double pickup with this collaboration. You know what I'm saying? If it's one of those collaborations that was like, you know, good enough to result in more pickups from it, I definitely will do it. You know me, I don't buy nothing I don't plan on wearing. So with that being said, be on the lookout for that, man. I may grab more from that. But in the meantime, that's the pickups. You got your Philly 76ers. You got your New York Knicks, man. That's all we got for today. I'm going to get up out of here, man. I'm not going to hold y'all up. Like I said, like, comment, hit the subscribe button if you ain't subscribed already. Check me out on the next video. Let me know what you was able to get from the Grungy Gentleman collaboration. If you was able to pick up, was it as hard for you as for me? Did you cop the Bulls one? I want to see somebody with that Bulls one in hand. You know what I mean? I want to really see what that's looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and hop out of here, man. I'm about to enjoy my Saturday. It's rare I get a Saturday off, so I'm about to go watch some basketball, you know, chill out and relax with the fam. In the meantime, it's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted. Grungy Gentleman. I'm out of here, man. Holla at me later.